Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone and app support font or styling changes. This matters because not every app allows custom fonts. Once done, open the document or note where you want to change word design and place the cursor. Now select the word or phrase, tap and drag to highlight it. Make sure to enable the app's formatting toolbar or keyboard formatting options. Without that toolbar, you cannot pick fonts, sizes, or effects. This first step gets you directly into editing. Once the text is highlighted, open the formatting toolbar or keyboard plugin. That panel is where you choose font, size, color, and style. You select a font from the picker. If the app allows custom fonts, install or enable the font first. Then change size and color. Tap Preview to verify legibility on your screen. If you want emphasis, add bold, italic, or underline. Make sure contrast stays readable, because fancy fonts can look great but be hard to read. Apply your changes and save the file. This ensures edits persist. If the design looks different on another device, export as PDF or take a screenshot to preserve exact appearance, because fonts may not transfer. If the font or style reverts, check app compatibility, clear cache, or reinstall the font plugin. These fixes usually restore functionality. Finally, make incremental saves while you tweak. That prevents losing work if the app crashes during styling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.